So being a tape from mid-90s regional Australia, you'd expect to see some low-budget local ads clumsily inserted into the commercial breaks. And you are spot on.
Today's SGIC is more financially sound than ever.
Life in the outdoors is a wonderful and relaxing experience, and Disposals in Oxide Street are your one-stop shop for all your outdoor needs. Whether it be camping or a picnic with a family, Disposals have it all. There's folding tables, easy lift umbrellas, barbecues, eskies, picnic baskets, rugs, picnic sets and lots more. So when you're next thinking of picnic or camping equipment, think of Disposals. You're sure to find what you need.
It's happy hour when it only costs $3.50 a ride. At Go-Kart Action, we're challenging you.
Pacific Coast.
Yeah, this is the North team. I'm reaching the end of my...
Alright, a few things going on here. Let's start with the Disposals ad. Oxide Street? That's what happens when the line between mining industry and government is non-existent. And with this current lot, you can expect it to be renamed the Rio Tinto Opera House any day now. Also, I think that might be Heath Franklin's chopper operating that barbecue. Secondly, or thirdly if you're keeping count, obviously someone in master control made a mistake there. I'm guessing the Disposals ad was supposed to come after the go-karts one, which is why there was dead air there. But it wasn't completely dead. You could still hear something quietly playing underneath that black screen. Here it is again with the volume turned up.
We're challenging you.
Pacific Coast.
Yeah, this is the North team. I'm reaching the end of my...
What is that? And actually, if you listen closely, it's underneath everything on the tape, including the movie, where it's especially noticeable during quiet parts like this.
It has power, again, for just driving this animal forward. If you look under the head, you see the ball and socket joint where the neck meets the head, just about at the center of gravity, so that head can pivot in every direction.
Yeah, it's right here, below the eyes, between the horns, and the muscles that...
Anybody hear that?
Yeah. So where is that audio coming from? At first I thought there might have been some interference on the aerial, or maybe there was some leakage from a radio or something else connected to the Dwyer's home entertainment system. But fast forwarding to the end of the tape, I found this.
We hope you enjoyed Jurassic Park. Next week, two of television's biggest stars are back in brand new specials. Prime Suspect 5 and John Farnham's 5th live television concert spectacular.
And hatchlings really tell us.
In order to find these little baby dinosaurs and eggshell to the ground as you can to see the things. What we have here is a place that we found embryonic dinosaurs, associated eggs, and some we believe are hatchlings.
Notice how the audio was even under the static there and then synced up with the guy talking about dinosaur eggs at the end. Very unusual. In fact, it should not be possible during normal VCR operation. When I mentioned all this to Lachlan, he said their VCR was constantly getting repaired. I see what's happened here. Now, with cutting-edge computer technology, we reveal exactly what went wrong. Disasters don't just happen, they're a chain of critical events. Unravel the fateful decisions in tonight's tedious explanation. You see, when you record something onto a videotape, the tape is first fed past the erase head, which erases any audio and video signals previously recorded on the tape. The video signals are on those diagonal lines, and the audio runs along the bottom. After that, the tape passes the video head drum with its record heads, which lay down the new video recording. Then it goes past the audio head, which lays down the new audio. And that's the gist of it. There are a few other things in there, like the control track head, but I don't want to be here all day. So anyway, Lachlan recorded this dinosaur doco at some point in the past, and then later used the same tape to record Jurassic Park. However, it's most likely the erase head wasn't aligned properly. It erased the video okay, but it didn't completely erase the old audio track before recording the new one. Consequently, the audio of Jurassic Park is mixed in with the faint remnants of the bloke talking about little baby dinosaurs. There you go. Another tedious technical tale with help from an incredibly time-consuming animation from the great John Hananowich.
We spared no expense.